Chapter 2 Let us use Chapter 2 Let us use graticules. Make friend with globe. What are the horizontal line on the globe called? List the continents and ocean through which the equator passes. Encircle the intersection of 0 degree meridian and 0 degree parallel on the globe. Which ocean are spread in all the four hemispheres? Which continent are spread in all four hemispheres? At which two parallels do all meridians converge? When we talk about various places, regions, rivers, road, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the earth. The location of the place, the extent of the region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallel and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. Verify the following description with the help of world map or a globe in the school. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Example, Delhi is located in 20 degree 36 minute 50 north latitude and 70 degree 12 minute 3 east longitude. For describing the extent of For describing the extent of region, we need to consider two parallels and two meridian at extreme end of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degree and 30 degree south to 43 degree 39 degrees south latitude and 113 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. For describing the extent of linear feature like river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal point. For example, the river Nile in Africa originate in Lake Victoria, flows north and meet Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of the lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minute 21 south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute 18 east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute 07 east longitude. The latitude and longitude are considered to describe the extent of river Nile. The extent is 0 degree 45 minute south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute east longitude origin to 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute east longitude up to the mouth. Let us see the graticules. Answer the following question about location and extent with the help of figure 2.3. Which latitude and longitude define the location of capital of Brazil? Brasilia. What would be longitudinal extent of Brazil that spread from 5 degree 15 degree mid north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitudes. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north south direction? In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in east west direction? Which parallel meridian should be used to describe the extent of river São Francisco? Describe the location of Marazo Island using the graticules. Let us acquainted some important parallels and meridians. All places between 23 and 30 north and south of equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Other areas of earth never get perpendicular rays. The parallel at 23 north and 23 30 south of the equator is called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The parallel of 66 30 south and south of the equator are also important parallels. In the area between these two parallels throughout the year, daytime lasts within limit of 24 hours. These are called Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending on the seasons, daytime, sun being visible in the sky can be greater than 24 hours in the area between polar circle and poles. The maximum duration of sun's appearance in the sky can be 6 months at the pole based on the season. During this period, the sun continues to move in spiral on the horizon. We have seen in standard 5 that earth axis is inclined. These important parallels arise because of inclination by 20 30 due to the duration intensity of sunlight. Do you know Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world? It's spread over the area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located with Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of this country in figure 2.5. From west to east and also from north to south, there is no difference in the degree or minute of latitude and longitude, but difference is only in second. From this, you will get an idea about the use of smaller unit of minute and second in angular measurement. Different temperature zone due to the duration and intensity of sunlight. Different temperature zones are formed on the earth. These zones give rise to pressure belt. Variation in intensity of sunlight lead to regional diversity in plant animal life. The 0 degree latitude or prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard time of different countries. This meridian is also called Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT. Greenwich mean time. The 180-degree meridian is also important. From the prime meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degree. The 180-degree meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. The international date line is marked with reference to this meridian. The equator as well as all pair of opposite meridian from great circle are used for finding minimum distance between any two places in the surface of the earth. Think a little. Find on the globe meridian opposite to the one mentioned below. 90-degree east, 170-degree west, 30-degree east, 20-degree west. What do you observe? Use your brain. In what direction should an aeroplane fly in order to cover shortest distance between Kolkata and Chicago? I can do this. Show the important meridian and parallel on the map. Identify and make use of parallels and meridians. Describe the location and extent of any place, region, river, road, etc. in the world precisely.